Hello, my dear students of class 8. This is computer class and I am Lalit Kumar Pathak. Today I am going to revise database. In class 8, you have to study about the database in computer. There are a lot of database applications are there such as Access, SQL, MySQL, Oracle, etc. In this class, you have to study about the MS Access. As you know, MS Access is a relational database management system that manages the data in your computer on the basis of multiple tables. In class 8, you have to learn about the MS Access in two chapters, in part 1 and part 2. So overall I am going to explain about the database, and in database you have to learn these topics such as introduction to database, advantage and disadvantages of database, types of database, elements of database, introduction to Access, objects of MS Access, data type and their types, keys used in Access such as primary key, foreign key, how to open MS Access, how to create database and table in Access, how you can establish the relationship between table in Access if you have created more than one table in your Access. Then after, the last topic is how to create query, form and report in MS Access. In previous classes, I have explained in all the following topics. Today I am going to show you practical how you can start the MS Access and do how to create table and database and how to create query, form and report. Means in this class you can learn A to Z practical knowledge of MS Access from beginning to end. So let us start. First of all, you have to open MS Access. You can open MS Access by clicking on a start button, then click on all programs, then after click on MS Office and select MS Access. Or you can directly open MS Access by using run command by typing the command. So I am just press Window plus R key to open run command and type Access, MS Access. Then it opens the window of MS Access. This is the opening window of MS Access. If you want to create a blank database, you have to click on blank database. If you use templates, then you can select any of the templates given above. For more template, you have to click here. Template is a ready-made collection of database that has predefined sets of data types and tables. But if you want to create your customized database, then you have to click on blank database. After clicking in, you can type the name of the database or simply click on create button. So database 1 is the default name of blank database, and this is the symbols of database. So I am just going to click here, open creating database by clicking on create button. Now a blank database has been created. And you know very well, the purpose of database is used to manage the data. It manipulates your data. You can access your data, you can enter your data, and you can do any type of task on data through the database. So where we can store the data? Can we store the data directly into the database? No. We can store the data in our database in the form of tables. So if you want to store your data in your database, you have to create one or more table as per your requirement. So how you can create tables? There is two methods you can create table. You can simply click on create button, and then after click on table option. This option is used to create a blank table, or you can directly just click here in view option, and you just see two options, design view and dataset view. Design view is used to view the structure of the table or enter the field name and the data type in your table. And dataset view is used to view, enter or modify your data from table. So I have no table. So first time we have to click on either design view or click on create button and then after table option. But you must know, students, suppose you have created a blank table, that is database 1, and if you want to click on design view, suppose you have created a table with any name using design view. First time you can create a new table, and the table name is default table name is table 1. You can change the name of the table also. Click here. You can rename also here the table name, and the default field name is ID, and default data type of that field is auto number. You can change the ID also. Suppose I want to rename here, like rename and rename is. Suppose we want to remove the database that I have created earlier. I am unable to delete from this window. Yes, you can remove from the list, but you are not allowed to delete it. Suppose I am going to remove it. Again I am going to create a new database. Then the name of the database is database 2, because database 1 is already be there in your access. Come to the home and open, and in MS Access database is available in your documents. This is your database. You can delete it, but if you want to again remove it, you are not allowed to remove from there, because so you must have to close it. Understand? Now again, just open a new database, click here blank database, it displays database 1, click on create button. So first time when you create a table, you can using design view also, or clicking on create tab and then after table outcome. But the difference between create button or view, using create button you can create as many as table as you need, but using view option you can create only one table at a time. If you want to create another table, you have to click on create button. Okay, so I think that's all for the today student, how you can create the database and how you can delete your database. I will continue this topic in the next video, how you can create table in Access. So thank you, have a nice day.